electricity.
We are generating power in the environment.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Well done.
Super.
Sir, generally this is a power generator for a very efficient use, sir. Generally what happens is, sir, when the turbine is connected to a motor, sir. When this turbine is connected to a motor, sir, generally there is a lot of frictional force involved in this particular case, sir. And we are losing 20 to 25% of the frictional, due to the frictional force, sir, we are losing 20 to 25% of our energy in the form of heat, sir. Due to this particular heat, sir, we are damaging our turbines as well as the generators, sir. So we have made a such a system that, sir, there is very least amount of frictional force acting on the system, sir. You can see there are two magnets kept at the bottom, sir, and one more magnet at the top, sir. By this you can see that the repulsion property of the magnet is making this particular axle to elevate, sir. By this elevation, sir, you can see there is no point where this particular axle is going to touch the ground, sir. By this system you can see this complete system is affected by the least amount of friction, sir. Generally you can see if you take a motor and if you rotate for some time, it rotates for 1 or 2 or 4, maximum 5 times. And but if you see that if you apply the energy at this particular point, you can see for how long it rotates. This is due to when the magnets are kept at the bottom and this particular magnet is repelling this magnet. And when these particular magnets are repelling this magnet, this particular repulsion is making this turbine to move very efficiently. And this is how the generator is working. And generally you can see there is only one turbine and there is only one axle. And with only one turbine and one axle, we are trying to get multiple generators. And this system is nowhere implemented. And you can see there is only one turbine and there is only one axle, which can be brought up and continue to be multiple generators. This kind of system, generally what they do in the generators and all, they take only one turbine and they connect to the one more generator and the other turbine for the other generator. But in this system, we can connect multiple generators for only one particular axle and one particular turbine. And generally what the people do, the people take the motor and they fix it here and generally show the people that how the electricity is produced. But in that case, people don't understand what the exactly generator is made up of. But in this particular case, you can see very clearly see how the generator is made up of, how the coilings are being made. You can see how magnets are placed inside the generator, how the electricity is induced. You can see very clearly how the coilings are done perpendicular to the magnetic field and how the magnets are placed inside the magnet. And you can see clearly from this point how the magnets are rotating inside the coil and how the electricity is induced here. It's a very efficient generator, and with this generator we are not going to spoil the turbine as well as the generator. So this becomes very efficient generator. This is our own idea, and
From which school are you?
we are from Sainik School Bijapur, and I am Cadet Chetan from Rashtra House.
I am Cadet Varun from Rashtra House.
Great. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir.